So let's try the synchronization. I'll come back to the same code. So that one too, I'll create a normal thread class, sync thread, then sync thread. I want you to extend the thread class, and I extended it. I've not been forced to what? Override the run method, but because it's thread, I need to do it. So I'll just type R in control space, enter, run method. Now I'll create another method here to display some numbers. So public, or I'll not even make it public. I'll make it private. So private void display. Then within it, I'll just display something. So I'll just look through for some stuff. And I is equal to 0. I less than 1 hour. It's time. Then break time. When I synchronize this block, I'm now saying that if we are all working on the same object or the same block, when I go there and I'm working on it, I will lock it. So whoever will come and hit the wait method. When I'm done, I will notify the person. Then he also come and work on it. So now, okay, let me just synchronize one block and let's run it and see the effect. You get 0 0. I run it again. 0 0 0 1. Still the same effect that we were getting, but one side is locking it, the other side is not locking it. So it's kind of one thread accessing it, the other doesn't care who is there. It just goes and fetches and uses it. Now let's synchronize the last block too. Synchronize this guy. Synchronize this guy. When I synchronize both sides, I know this is 1, so I'm expecting 1 down. And this is 0, so I'm expecting 0 up. So when I synchronize it, I get 0 and 1. So I know only one thread is working on it. I can depend on the value which is coming. So I know what exactly is happening there. Synchronization. You have a sync example class, and this I can just, this doesn't work here. Okay, let me try this. Can also use this when you read other books. This doesn't work on it. This doesn't work on it. It should lock on an object. So you are working on only one instance of the object, the lock object. So you set an object onto that block. Look at this, just a block locking, not the whole method. We are synchronizing a block. So to synchronize a block, you need a lock object. You need an object, one object which will be monitoring like a monitor to monitor both sides. So we know this threads will be accessing this variable in this class. So wherever we need to monitor their use or ensure there's one copy of it, we synchronize that part so that before, when this thread comes, thread 2 comes, it checks if thread 1 is already there. It can't go there again. It has already been logged. So you only have your original value.